राज्यात पहिले फावट नाचण्यांचे फेस्त जाता। आयतारा 12 मार्चाक सकाळी 11 ते सांजे 5 मेरेन धुळेर म्हापशेच्या एग्रीकल्चर फार्मात ते जातले। मारियस फर्नांडिस आणि डॉक्टर ग्वेंडोलिन द ऑर्नेलास आणि कृषी संचालनालयाच्या जोड पालवान ही कार्यावळ जातली।
Two objectives. One is to increase the area under cultivation, and another is to create more demand for millets so that the farmers get a better premium price. This festival is curated by our most loved Festakar, Maurice Fernandez and Dr. Ornelas.
This type of fest, which is named as Natnache Fest at Mapsa on Sunday, 12th March, right, in Duler Farm, under the leadership of Sampati Dhargalkar, we are doing, and of course our guide, director Sir Neville Sir is there, and under his guidance we are organizing this Natnache Fest, and curators are Mr. Marius and Dr. Gwen Gomes, yes, and that will be a good event to promote the millets.
The first ever, perhaps the first ever millet festival anywhere in the world. I mean, we have to be serious because we are the biggest producer of millets in the world, India, and probably some countries near us. So it'll be, it'll be amazing if any other country in the world has had a festival, especially for millets. And every girl, probably Indian, from their childhood, the parents always gave us millets, nashne. And when we were young, it was one of the things that we didn't want to have. The recipe, I don't know what it was, but the moment they said nashne, we aren't kattale, we don't want nashne. But things have changed. I've come recently from Europe, and Ragi, millet is a superfood in Europe at the moment. It's so expensive to buy, and it's a broad moment. The government of Karnataka, I think, and their proposal, and the government of India proposed to have the millet the crop of the year. It's an international crop, and it's our duty really as Indians to make sure the farmer of India is brought into the mainstream.
For the Natnache Fest, we have women who will be putting up stalls, they will be putting up performances. We have the officer who is Mrs. Sampati. Thank you very much to Mrs. Sampati, who is a woman again and motivates everyone else to make a success. So this year being the year of the millet.
GOA365 खातीर विलियम रॉड्रिगीज, समृता खणगावकर आणि शिवानी सांगेलकर।